What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make this stunning pearl body chain in just under a few minutes. Let's get right into it. First we're going to start by cutting the neck. Cut your chain, then cutting a piece that goes down, and then cutting two separate pieces. It's going to go around and connect. Cut two sections of the same exact length to go on each side of your waist. Now that we have all sections of the chains cut off, we're going to go ahead and use an owl tool that has a thin tip and insert it into the last link of each of the chains to expand the chain link out, and twist the owl tool to expand the chain link. Here's a comparison of the before and after. Use your set of pliers to open up the jump ring and attach your jump ring to one side of the loop. And this is the piece that's going to be going around your neck. Then grab your clasp and attach the jump ring on the bottom loop of the clasp. When you're closing your jump ring, you want to make sure that you're almost pushing your pliers together as you come to close it. Pass the ring and then come back to where they meet. On the opposite side of the chain, grab a jump ring, use your set of pliers to open it up, attach the jump ring to the last link of the chain, close up the ring, pass it, and come back to where they meet. Find the middle section of the chain. This is going to be the second link that's going to be dropping down. So what we're going to go ahead and do is grab our jump ring, open it up, attach it to the last link of the chain, and then attach it around the chain link in the middle section of the first layer of the chain. Close it up. So far it should look something like this, where you have the necklace part at the top and then this drop down. At the bottom of the drop down section, attach a jump ring. And then we're going to go ahead and attach the two sections that are going to be going around your waist to this one jump ring. So there's one section, and then here's the opposite side that goes around your waist, and that's going to go into the jump ring as well. Close the jump ring up. So we have, and then we're going to have this bottom section that's going down your belly, and then this is going to be the part that goes around your waist. Grab another jump ring and open it up with your set of pliers. Attach it to the last link of the chain and attach your clasp to the jump ring and close it up. And on the opposite side, grab another jump ring, open it up, attach it to the last link of the chain and close it up. This is the section that will be going around your waist and clasping in the back. Here's one way to wear it over the top, but if you like, you can also unhook it, pop it into your top, so it's just kind of like a peeping through effect under your clothing. And it looks something like this. Let me bring you guys closer so you can see. What I love so much about this chain is that it already comes pre-made with the pearls, so you don't actually have to sit there and attach each one individually. Recently there's, oh my god, I just realized I'm missing an earring, but it's fine. We're just gonna roll with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need to go find where my other earring went. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a post. See you guys in our next video. Bye guys.